So, Kenwood chopper, mini chopper, £27 odd from Amazon. This one, I think I bought 6 months ago, and it was replaced within a couple of months by Kenwood because the belt drive went. The motor works, but the belt drive stopped going. I'm going to take it apart later, see if I'm correct, but I'm pretty sure it's the belt drive. Now, here's the replacement they sent me. And look what happened. The motor burnt right through the plastic, got very, very hot and burnt into my hand. Same thing, belt drive went. As soon as it burnt through, the belt drive went. And I can show the correspondence and all that jazz. But neither work, and I can't recommend them because two going sequentially proves my point that it's not a reliable product unless I've been very unlucky.
The Kenwood comes in several parts: the lid, the tray, the blades and the main unit, and it's very easy to pop together. Just pop the main tray on, pop the blades on. You then pop your ingredients in, and then put the lid on, and it has a small area there if you wish to add extra oil during the use of the machine.
The easiest way to do it is to undo the lid first of all, take that off, take the blade out, unlock the bowl and tilt the bowl back and lift it up. What a lot of people do is unlock it, try and lift it straight up, and it's catching under that lip there. So if you just tilt the bowl back, it comes straight out. Lock it on. Put the blade in, put the lid on, lock it in. Can do the whole lot together. Tilt back and it will come off. But it's just easier if you do it on its own, separately, like that. Easy, thank you.
Who was leading the prayer. I said to him when he was walking out, I said, Assalamu alaikum. I said, can you teach me? I want to learn.